So the next is for you to fix broken link. How do you fix broken link? If you have done your SEO audit report, you find the part for broken link. I have a part for broken link. Page not found, broken link. So pass, no broken link on the website, and no page not found. If these two pass, you can simply go here to put pass. So yes, if you have issues with broken link on your website, they can either create a post, redirect the content, redirect the link to the home page so that the users that come will move from the home page to other websites, or delete the link. But I will not prefer the last one, which is delete. Anybody that goes to your website anybody that visited the home page from your link would always want to navigate to the content or search the content they are looking for. Thank you for watching.